As we wrap this course, I want to leave you with something that's deeply personal to me. Entrepreneurship has not only changed my business, it has changed my life. It has allowed me to become a better husband, a better father, and a better friend. And it gives me the freedom to build a life of my own terms, surrounded by a community of like minded people who inspire and challenge me every day. And for that, I'm eternally grateful. I will never go back to a world of W 2 jobs because entrepreneurship has given me something far more valuable than just a paycheck. It's given me purpose, passion, and a sense of belonging. So as you embark on your own entrepreneur journey, remember this. It's not just about building a business. It's about building a life filled with purpose, passion, and the freedom to create something truly extraordinary. Take that leap of faith, embrace the challenges, and never stop believing in yourself. Your entrepreneur journey awaits, and I'm on your side.